G'day. On a previous video I was cleaning up some measuring gear, and the front picture was a picture of a thread mic in a box, and it looked pretty terrible. Someone asked some questions about that, at least I think it was about that. So there's the thread mic, and I'm just going to run through very quickly how it's used and what the basis behind it is. I'm all new to this anyway, so if I make a mistake, please comment and we'll try and fix that. But this is just a quick on using a thread mic. This is a thread mic used for measuring the pitch circle diameter of threads. This is a Mitutoyo. It's in rather bad shape. I need to make up some cheek pieces for it and clean up the case, possibly even make up a new case. But because of a question, I thought I'd just run through how it's used, what it does. So this particular type has got removable anvils, and so they just pop in there like that, and the anvils are sized for the pitch of the thread that you're looking at. So you need to get your thread pitch gauges out and just check what your pitch is so you can work out what it is. You then come along and wind that down to 0. Just lock that, loosen that off, and then this bit here winds back and forth as well. You can probably just see that. Okay, so wind that up until that's zeroed and then lock it, like so. Okay, so if I unlock that now and I come back down, it's zeroed. All right. I'm now set up to measure the PCD of the thread I have. All right, small pause while I just turn that anvil round, re-zeroed it. So what you're doing is you're getting your thread, and you're putting that in there. The cone goes on this on one side, the V or the W shape goes on the other side, and so you're measuring across the thread, and the idea is you're measuring to the pitch circle diameter. So you want to be basically diametrically opposite there. How does that relate to the thread itself? So this is the thread. If you can imagine, there's a section of my thread. According to all the books, the major diameter of the thread is actually measured to a flat, which is the pitch divided by 8 in from the theoretical peak of the thread. The jaws of the micrometer, the anvils of the micrometer are going to come down and measure like that. Okay, that's how they work. The distance between the peak and the trough is going to be cos 33 on 2.866p, and then you're taking off 2 times an eighth. So trying to work all this out, the PCD, which is what we're measuring with the micrometer, is going to be the diameter. Take away both sides is going to be P on 4, so 0.75 pitch times by 0.866 pitch. It's going to be D, take 0.75 times by 0.866 P. In this case it's 6, take 0.75 of that is so see, grabbing calculator, 0.75 times 0.866 is approximately 0.65 P. P equals 1 because it's a 1mm pitch, so that's going to be 5.35 roughly. When you're doing threads to high precision, you obviously need to take a bit more time with your calculations. Now if I put that in there and get that so they can just part through. I'm getting 5.21. That's not too bad. This is just a commercial bolt. It's nothing special. So, you know, I think you'd say, well, yes, I'm measuring around about what I should be. So that's a thread micrometer with interchangeable anvils. You can get them with fixed anvils. The nice thing about the interchangeable anvil type, of course, is that you can put different anvils in, so you can use the same micrometer to measure a whole range of threads. This one, the range goes from 0.4 up to 7 millimeters pitch. So that's quite a range out of one instrument. But that's how they're used. So thanks for watching, and hope this has been of interest.